I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me.
Hey, it is your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I am bringing you this like really pretty Cupid type of makeup look, and you can honestly do without the Cupid because I did the full face before I drew the Cupid. Only thing I didn't do was like my under eye, my lashes, and my lips, which those are like simple things. So yeah, it turned out really pretty, and I'm like really happy about the way this turned out. But before we even hop into the video, I got to tell y'all I am so tired but I wanted to go ahead and film a video for you guys because today has been a long day, but the grind don't stop. Okay, time don't stop, so the grind don't stop, and that's period. But I've been up since 8 o'clock yesterday morning, because right now it is 4:30 in the morning, and I had 2 classes because if you didn't know, I'm a full-time student and I had to go to work. But besides the point, so yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below any videos you would like me to do, and follow me on my social medias because if I'm not on YouTube, then I'm on one of those sites. And without further ado, make sure you subscribe to be a MVP and a part of the winning team, period. And I know y'all are tired of me rambling, so let's get into the video. So I'm trying to kind of hold my eyes down so my like lids don't start creasing, but the first shade I'm about to take is from my Juvias Saharan palette. And I'm about to go into this shade right here called Chad, which is just a black shade. And y'all, this black is so freaking good. It's so black. Like the black from the Carnival palette, it's okay. It comes out more grayish than black. But this black right here, that's black. Ain't no telling me that ain't black. But I'm about to just take a brush and pack this on. So yeah. So now I'm about to go into my Plouise Secret Center palette, and I'm about to mix 2 shades. So at first I was just gonna go in with Pleasure by itself, but I wanted it to be a bit more deep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix Pleasure and Hook. I'm gonna mix these 2. Take a red. I'm about to go into this shade right here called Velvet Kiss and just go over top of it, and then I'm going to take the shade S&M, which is this pink shade right here. I need to put on some lip gloss. So what I'm about to do is go into my Plouise Base in the Rumor 0, and then I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty palette and I'm gonna take these 2 nude shades, and these are like, I'm using these because I feel like they really complement this look. So I'm gonna mix this shade right here called Desert Sand and Eden. I'm gonna mix these 2 shades. The camera's not really doing it justice. There we go. Well, not really. Y'all will see what it look like when it's on my actual lids. So yeah. So now I'm about to go back into my Plouise palette and take some more of that shade called Pleasure. I'm gonna take Pleasure and I'm gonna mix it with S&M. So now I'm about to go ahead and add some liner, and for this I'm about to use my NYX Vinyl Liner. So now I'm about to take this glitter and I'm about to do like a thin line above my liner, and this is just the Mamacita's Cosmetics glitter in the shade Cupid. And if you want to get some glitters from Mamacita Cosmetics, make sure you use my code LALA, all caps. These are so freaking bomb. Like, I have so many glitters from Mamacita Cosmetics and they're all just so bomb. So make sure you go get you some glitter, sis. So I'm about to move on to the face makeup, and first I'm gonna be going into primer. And if you didn't watch a few of my tutorials, then you already know what your girl is about to go in with. But I'm about to go in with my Milk Hydro Grip, and then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty. Why my foundation always looks like so light on the camera, because it matches perfectly in person. So I don't know. But for concealer, I'm about to take my TooFaced concealer, and this is just the Born This Way, and this is in the shade Warm Beige. And then I'm also going to be taking my TooFaced setting powder. So yeah. So now I'm about to take my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm about to take this to set the rest of my face. So now I'm about to go into my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and this is just the Dark to Deep palette. And then I'm going to take these two shades, the contour and the bronzer shade, to contour my face. And then for bronzer, I'm going to be going into my Wet n Wild bronzer, and this is in the shade What Shady Beaches. And as y'all can see, your girl loves this bronzer. I have hit pan and it is so good, like but I'm about to take that, and then to cut my contour I'll be using my Fenty Beauty baking powder or setting powder, and it is in the shade Butter. go into the Saharan Volume 2 blush palette, and I'm about to take this shade right here for my cheeks. So now I'm about to take my Morphe Setting Mist before I go in with highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm going to be using is this one by the beautiful Goddess Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Royalty. To take my May Brown face palette, and I'm about to go into the black shade, which is right here, and I'm about to be drawing Cupid on my face. And for this part it won't be a lot of explaining, but I am going to show y'all what I am doing, so yeah. So first I'm gonna mix the shades Hooked and Pleasure, and I'm gonna take those first, and then I'm gonna take the shade S&M and a little bit of Velvet Kiss, and then I may take a little bit of black, but I'm not really sure. But yeah, y'all, I started this tutorial around 4. I started this tutorial around 12. It is now 4 in the morning. So I've been doing this for a while, but it turned out really nice. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would, so that's good. So for lashes, I'm about to take these in the style Confessional from Billi Boutique. So what I'm about to do is go in with my ColourPop lip liner, and this is in the shade BFF4. And I got a bunch of liquid lipsticks here, and I don't know which one I want to use. I was thinking about this gloss because I think it'll be really pretty, but then again, I don't have much like red or orange in this look. Like I have a little bit of red in the eyes, but it's not like something that stands out. Sorry if y'all can hear my computer, it is making some noises. And then Of course, I got Anastasia stripped, which I'm probably going to go in with anyway, and then go over it with gloss. And then I have this lip topper from Anastasia, which might be like super pretty with this. So this is definitely something that I'm looking at. And then I have a few more lip toppers and glosses. So I'll figure everything out, and then I'll come back and tell y'all. And if I don't, make sure you look down below, because all the products will be down below. So yeah. This is the finished look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below videos that you would like me to do. And if you are not following me on my social medias, make sure you go ahead and give those a follow, because we're trying to get those up too, like sis. And then if I'm not on YouTube, then more than likely I'm on one of those social medias. So make sure you following me to stay updated. And without further ado, you already know what your girl is about to say. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP. Period. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.